The return of the God hypothesis asks one question: does modern science point to a creator? Stephen Meyer argues yes. He examines three discoveries: the beginning of the universe, the fine-tuning of physics, and the information inside DNA. For centuries, science assumed an eternal universe needing no cause. Then came a discovery that changed everything. Galaxies are moving apart, light stretches red, and the math points backward to a single starting moment. This is the Big Bang. The universe had a beginning. Space, time, matter, and energy all started together. And whatever begins to exist requires a cause beyond itself. Next comes fine-tuning. The constants of physics sit on a knife's edge. Gravity, the strong force, and the cosmological constant are dialed to impossibly precise values. Change any one slightly, and no stars, no planets, no life. Imagine a cosmic dial with billions of settings. Only one setting allows a life-permitting universe. Meyer asks, what set the dial? Chance seems hopeless. Necessity has no explanation. Design becomes the live option. Now the third clue, DNA. Inside every cell sits a coded message. The bases A, T, C, and G spell instructions, just like letters in a language. This is not chemistry alone. This is digital information. Where does coded information come from? In every case we observe, information flows from a mind. A book has an author. Software has a programmer. A signal has a sender. Meyer argues the same logic applies to the cell. Critics offer the multiverse. If countless universes exist, ours got lucky. But Meyer responds, a multiverse generator itself needs fine-tuning. You still need a cause, and you still need information. Meyer calls this an inference to the best explanation. List the candidates, weigh the evidence, and pick the cause that fits all three clues at once. A beginning, fine-tuning, and information point in the same direction. That direction, Meyer says, points to a transcendent mind, a cause beyond space and time, an intelligence capable of writing the laws of physics and the code of life. This is the God hypothesis returning to science. This is not a God of the gaps. It is an argument from what we know, not what we don't. We know causes produce effects. We know minds produce information. Meyer says, follow the evidence where it leads. So the return of the God hypothesis is simple. 3 discoveries, 1 direction. A universe with a beginning, physics fine-tuned for life, and DNA carrying a coded message. Together, they reopen the oldest question in science.